First of all, let's come to Boolvideo Lite. Based on AI and marketing data, Boolvideo Lite automatically turns pages or pics into high-quality videos to boost your brand and sales. If you are a new user, you will receive 4 steps onboarding instructions. This will teach you how to use Boolvideo Lite to easily generate promotional videos with one click. Let's log in to get started. You can see this page is divided into 3 main sections. In the first section, which is also our most important section, you can choose 2 ways to import your material. Import the product detail page from Shopify store or upload product images. The second section, you can choose the purpose of the generated video, boost your brand, sell more or introduce your product. In the third section, you can choose the ratio of the video you want, 9:16 or 1:1. The above 3 parts of your choice will affect the final video generation result. Here we go. Let's try the first way, uploading the product detail page URL. Here we use Rexing as a case. Copy a product detail page, then paste it into the first box. Choose the purpose of our production and the ratio of the generated video. Finally, just tap to generate. Wait a few seconds to see the magic. If you are satisfied, you can download it directly. If there is something that you are not satisfied with, you can edit it. If still not satisfied, don't worry, there are more result videos in the upper right corner.
Drop, acid.
On the edit page, you can choose to replace unwanted images from your local computer or from the images already extracted from the detail page. You can also edit incorrect copies. Let's try the second way, upload pictures of the products you want to show. Click Add. Then, as before, choose the production purpose and video ratio. This time we choose 1:1 and tap to generate. Same, enjoy the massive videos we generate for you. Remember, in Download Records, you can view, edit, and re-download previously downloaded videos.